Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Everyday English Lab. My name is Sarah, and I'm your host today. How are you all doing? Today, we have a special guest with us. His name is Tom. Welcome to the show, Tom.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I'm happy to be here.
We're happy to have you, Tom. Today, we will talk about your day. We will ask questions like, how was your day? And what did you do today? These are very useful questions in English.
Yes, these questions are very common. I use them every day.
Great. So, Tom, are you ready to tell us about your day?
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Let's start from the beginning. Tom, what time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning.
7 o'clock. That's a good time. Was it easy to wake up or was it difficult?
It was a little difficult. I was very tired, but I got up after 10 minutes.
I understand. Sometimes it's hard to get out of bed. What did you do after you woke up?
First, I went to the bathroom. Then, I made my bed.
Oh, you made your bed. That's very good. I don't always make my bed in the morning.
Sometimes I forget too.
So, what did you eat for breakfast?
I ate toast with butter and jam, and I drank coffee with milk.
That sounds delicious. Do you eat the same breakfast every day?
Usually, yes, but on weekends, I sometimes make eggs or pancakes.
That's nice. Weekends are special. After breakfast, what did you do?
I took a shower. Then I brushed my teeth and got dressed.
What clothes did you wear today?
I wore jeans and a blue shirt, and my black shoes.
Nice. Blue is a good color. How did you go to work today?
I took the bus. The bus stop is near my house.
How long was the bus ride?
It was about 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Did you do anything on the bus?
Yes, I listened to music on my phone, and I looked out the window.
That's a relaxing way to travel. Okay, so you arrived at work. What time did you arrive?
I arrived at 8:30 in the morning.
And what do you do for work, Tom?
I work in an office. I help customers on the computer and on the phone.
That sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. My coworkers are very friendly.
That's important. Friendly coworkers make work better. What did you do first when you arrived?
First, I turned on my computer. Then I checked my emails.
Did you have many emails?
I had about 15 emails. Some were important and some were not important.
I see. What did you do after checking your emails?
I had a meeting with my team. We talked about our projects.
How long was the meeting?
It was 1 hour, from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
That's a long meeting. Was it boring or interesting?
It was okay. Not very boring, not very interesting.
I understand. So, after the meeting, what did you do?
I worked on my computer. I answered customer questions and made some reports.
Did anything interesting happen in the morning?
Yes, one customer was very happy with our service. She sent a nice email that made me feel good.
Oh, that's wonderful. It's nice when people say thank you. Now let's talk about lunch. What time was your lunch break?
My lunch break was at 12:30.
Where did you eat lunch?
I ate in the office cafeteria with my coworkers.
What did you eat?
I ate chicken with rice and vegetables, and I had a salad too.
That sounds healthy. Did you drink anything?
Yes, I drank water and orange juice.
Good, it's important to drink water. How long was your lunch break?
It was 45 minutes.
What did you do after eating?
I talked with my coworkers for a few minutes. Then I went for a short walk outside.
A walk. That's a good idea. Fresh air is nice.
Yes, it helps me feel better for the afternoon.
So, what did you do in the afternoon at work?
I had more work on the computer. I also called some customers.
Were the customers nice?
Most of them were nice. One customer was a little angry, but it was okay.
Sometimes that happens. What time did you finish work?
I finished at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, perfect. What did you do after work?
I took the bus home again. The bus was very crowded.
Oh, rush hour. Many people go home at 5 o'clock.
Yes, exactly. I had to stand on the bus.
That's tiring. What time did you arrive home?
I arrived at about 5:45.
And what did you do when you got home?
First, I changed my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes, a t-shirt and shorts.
Ah, yes, I always change clothes when I get home too. Then what?
I was hungry, so I made dinner.
What did you make?
I made spaghetti with tomato sauce. It's easy and quick.
I love spaghetti. Did you eat alone or with someone?
I ate alone, but I called my sister on the phone while I was eating.
That's nice. Where does your sister live?
She lives in another city about 2 hours away.
It's good to talk with family. After dinner, what did you do?
I washed the dishes. Then I watched TV for about 1 hour.
What did you watch?
I watched a documentary about animals in Africa.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. Did you learn anything new?
Yes, I learned about elephants. They are very intelligent animals.
They are. What did you do after watching TV?
I read a book for 30 minutes. Then I prepared my clothes for tomorrow.
You're very organized. What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at 10:30, but I didn't sleep immediately.
What did you do in bed?
I checked my phone for a few minutes. Then I turned off the light and slept.
So, Tom, that was your whole day. Now, let me ask you, how do you feel about today?
I feel good. It was a normal day, but it was a good day.
Was it a busy day or a relaxing day?
It was busy in the morning, but relaxing in the evening.
That's a good balance. What was the best part of your day?
I think the best part was talking with my sister on the phone. I miss her.
Oh, that's sweet. Family is important. Was there anything bad about today?
Not really. Maybe the crowded bus was a little bad. But it's okay.
Yes, crowded buses are not fun. Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Sunday, so I don't work. I want to sleep late.
That sounds like a great plan.
Yes, maybe I'll go to the park in the afternoon.
That sounds lovely. I hope you have a nice Sunday.
Thank you, Sarah.
Tom, before we finish, I have an idea.
What's your idea?
Let's talk to our listeners. Let's ask them about their day, too.
Oh, that's a great idea. Yes, let's do it.
Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
Yes, we have some questions for you.
First question, what time did you wake up today?
Think about it. Was it early or late?
Good. Next question, what did you eat for breakfast today?
Did you eat toast like me or something different?
I hope it was delicious. Now tell us, what did you do today? Did you work? Did you study? Did you stay at home?
Maybe you had a very interesting day.
Wonderful. One more question. How do you feel right now? Are you happy, tired, excited?
We hope you feel good.
Thank you for thinking about these questions. Everyone, please write your answers in the comments below this video. We love reading your comments.
Yes, tell us about your day. We want to know.
And if you practice speaking your answers out loud, that's even better. Speaking practice is very important.
Don't be shy. Your English is getting better every day.
That's right. Every day, you learn more. We're proud of you.
Keep practicing, everyone.
Well, everyone, that was our conversation with Tom today. We talked about his day from morning to evening. Let's remember some useful phrases from today. What time did you wake up? What did you eat for breakfast? How was your day? What did you do after work? These questions are very useful for everyday conversations in English.
Yes, you can practice these questions with your friends and family.
That's right. Thank you so much for being here today, Tom.
Thank you for having me, Sarah. It was fun.
And thank you to all our listeners. We hope this episode helped you learn some new English. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yes, click that subscribe button so you don't miss our next episode. Next time, we'll talk about hobbies and free time activities. So please join us again.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.